In this video, I am going to show you enable or disable click sound on your Android phone. So let's get started. First, take your phone, then open the settings page. In the settings page is open, scroll down a little, look for the sound and vibration option, click on them. After this page is open, scroll down again, go to system sound option. Here you can find the sound section under the touch interaction option. Right now this option is turned off. Simply tap on the toggle switch to turn it on. After it's enabled, your click sound is turned on. To check this process is work, simply tap on the back button. You can see the pop-up sound appear. To disable the click sound again on your phone, don't worry. Return to the sound and vibration page, scroll down to the system sound option and disable the touch interaction option. After that, you can tap on the back button but no longer to the click sound. Thanks for watching. Please like this video. Also subscribe my channel.